Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And before I get started, I really just wanted to come clean. And I know a couple of you guys already suspected this, but you know, I wanted to get it out there, let everybody know, just so there's no questions about it. Turns out I am a f***ing idiot. All right, so the other day, driving the truck into the backyard, I got this double gate here, but on this side behind here I have the top of the Bronco, so this door doesn't open all the way. Had these open, this one almost all the way, and was driving into the backyard to drop a fire pit off back there to doing some work in the backyard, and I folded the mirrors in, everything was going good until I scraped and completely broke the door handle off. So yeah, like I said, I'm an idiot. So I already had all the scratches down the side from when I took the thing off-roading. Still need to get that taken in, but before I do that, I need to fix this door handle. So I did order a new one. The only ones I could find to order were either the chrome and black or the all black. I figured the chrome would work better because I wasn't 100% sure if the black cap would come off like the chrome one does, but I know, like, if you look at the chrome one, it's easy to see that that's the same as that. So my thinking is I'll be able to pull this cap off, snap that one on, and then for this plate, looks like if I push that pin through and pull these off, actually be able to separate everything, then switch the plates around, put everything back together, and hopefully it will all work. Yeah, I tried to find some videos or some instructions on doing it. There's a whole bunch for doing the interior handles, but I've not found any for this style door handle. So kind of going completely blind here. I know first I'm gonna have to pull the interior door panel off to be able to get access to whatever it is that's actually holding everything together back there, as well as, you know, the connecting rods and anything else. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pull this door off. I mean, I've done it before. I did it when I was doing the speakers, so shouldn't be too bad. I'm trying to remember, I think this snaps off, this does, and maybe some bolts under there, and then the door panel should come off, and then we can see what's back there. It says 4 bolts, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there, and then 2 underneath there, and pry everything out that's clipped in. So maybe I should have paid attention to some of those videos that talked about the indoor. So I don't know how to get this cable disconnected. I'm gonna try to, there's these 4 screws around the outside. I don't know if that whole thing will come out or what the deal is. So those 4 screws were not needed to take out. They do hold the indoor door handle in, but you still had to disconnect the cable, which is actually pretty simple once you know how to do it, but it just locks in like so. And in order to get it out, you just gotta pull that tab. And try not to break another door handle. But yeah, pull that tab and pull it out, and it disengages. No need to remove those 4 screws or anything like that. It just comes right off. So let's pull this back. See what we're working with. bolt on the inside towards the front. So I guess it's going to be 2 nuts there and then a screw going in there that's holding everything together. I can see one of the, okay, I can see both bolts through there. And the screw on the outside, I'm guessing. Yeah, bolt right there. So this bolt and then 2 other bolts on the inside. And that should get it disconnected. So far it's 10 mil. I got the bottom one out. Moved that and it's a straight shot. This one up here, 10 mil also. Straight shot through there. Should just be 10 mil out here as well. Front should be disconnected. Alright, so it looks like you just gotta push these tabs in, be able to pull that out. And the back end plops in, front end plops in, bolt everything up, push that in. Sorry, I know I'm moving this camera all over the place. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, try to take this one apart. Okay, these are just pressed on. This one's pressed on and then riveted in there as well. All right, slight change of plans. Instead of trying to take everything apart just to switch the face off, I'm just gonna switch the handle. So you tell the difference. The OEM part is actually built much better. It's not all, it's got metal in it. This is all plasticky and I imagine that's going to break. So what I did is push the pins out of the new one. So here and here, just these 2 pins, push those out. And that allows the handle itself to just come out completely. So then this should then just fit back into place. And I just need to put pin back in there and in there, and voila, we're done. We got the back, still got the chrome handle. I got to change the cap out. Alright, so that's what the door handle looks like without the cover on it. And is this right here on both sides is where those 2 hooked in. And once you got those out and over top, it just kind of peeled off like that. And you could probably have gotten it from the other side, but I mean, with this overhanging, you can actually get your fingers in there and pry that open, because it's an empty space back behind there, where in the front it's tight squeeze. So got that out of there. Should just be able to plop the color matched one back in. Boom. And now let's slid back in. Now we have a color matched door handle that should just go back in. Just hook that back in, push that back through, back in. Got 3 10mm bolts to reattach, or 1 bolt with 2 nuts. And just put the bolt in there. Alright, so moment of truth time. And it looks good. Well, because it's the same door handle and cover that were on there before. And it works. Huzzah! Nice. All right, so that works. Happy about that. Plug this back in. Cover those holes back up. Really didn't even need to pull this down. Well, I was able to get those nuts out of there with that. So without that, if I would have used like magnet or something, could have pulled the nuts out. I wouldn't have even needed to pull that open, but not a big deal. Just seals right back up. All right, so again, did not have to remove these 4 screws in order to get the door panel off, to get this cable off. So I went ahead and put those back in. This cable, it's super simple. I've never actually seen one that simple in a truck before, or a vehicle before, so quite happy with it. So it just, everything's back together. Close the door. Open. Aside from the scratches and this should just wipe off. It's just actually some of the vinyl from the actual fence that's stuck to the car. I'm gonna try to be quick here. My camera keeps dying because it's so hot out and it keeps saying it's overheating. But we got the panels all put back together. Everything looks great. Door closes, door opens. Everything's perfect. Well, can't say perfect because it still scratches and it's got this white. That white's actually the vinyl left over from the fence itself. But like I said, turns out I'm an idiot for even getting that. The F-150, that is my daily driver. So I try to keep the working on it to a minimum. You know, little things I can do within a day or two. Not something like this that's gonna be in the garage for months at a time, weeks or months at a time. I do like to be able to just jump in the F-150 and go whenever I'm ready to drive. So yeah, like those 2 other things that I want to get done are something that I could take, drop off, and it'd be done in a day or 2, get the car back. And not have to worry about, whereas if I was doing it myself, it would take much longer than that. So I'm just gonna take them, have professionals do it, and continue to work on these other projects. So hope you got some value out of that. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.